Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to cancel a payment on Simple in 2025. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Simple account. So you can do that using your email address and password on the Simple mobile app, or you could do so on Simple's website. Now once you're logged into your account, go and click on the activity button that's in the top navigation bar or the bottom navigation bar. Just look for activity and click on that, and it's going to show you a list of your recent transactions. Now that you have the list, just go ahead and find the payments that you want to cancel and then click on the payment. Now this is going to take you to the payment detail page, where you're going to click on the cancel payment button that's usually located at the bottom of the page. And then you're going to confirm the cancellation by clicking cancel payment again, and make sure to review the cancellation details carefully to avoid any errors. And after that's done, just wait for the cancellation process, which may take a few minutes, and you're going to receive a confirmation email once the cancellation is complete. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to cancel a payment on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.